Hello, my name is Shante, and today I have 3 new remote work from home jobs that I have to share with you today. If you haven't done so yet, please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like this because it really does help. I would greatly appreciate it. I also have a Facebook group. It is WFH Mom Squad. And if you're looking for remote job listings, I send out weekly job postings to you via email. You can subscribe at momsquad8.gumroad.com/L/VXDCMF. Or you can also purchase, I have this remote job application kit that has all of the resources needed to find a remote work from home job. You can get that at momsquad8.gumroad.com/L/RAOZD. All right, but let's go ahead on and get into it. So the first remote work from home job that I have to share with you is going to be with Comcast. So Comcast is actually looking for an outbound business sales representative. So if you're into sales, this is something for you, okay? What they basically have on here is that the qualifications for this position is going to be a high school diploma and then 2 to 5 years of experience in sales. The base pay for this position is $16.35, and the total target compensation is around $30.77. So after your sales, generally the target compensation is what their sales reps are bringing in per hour. And that's pretty good, especially if you are good at sales. The second remote work from home job that I'm going to share with you today is going to be with Best Friends. Okay, so this is for animals. So if you're an animal lover, this is something that you can do. It involves basically just email and web specialist. So this is no phone. But if you are not an animal lover, don't mess with this. All right, y'all. So they're looking for an email and web specialist for network engagement. Now, the hiring range, the pay range for this position is about $61,000 to $65,000 annually, depending upon your experience, okay? And the skills and experience that they have here, they want you to have strong interpersonal skills and a proven success in a collaborative, team-oriented environment, highly organized, independent work ethic, experience with complex email marketing implementation, experience with MailChimp and HubSpot is strongly preferred. So look this one up, you guys. It has a list of the recommendations and what they're looking for, what skills they're looking for to fill this position. All right, so the third remote work from home job that I'm sharing with you is with Roadie. Roadie is a delivery company. They're a part of UPS, and they're looking for a customer support specialist. The requirements, they want you to have 2 or more years of customer experience, strong written and verbal communication skills, able to quickly and efficiently problem solve and troubleshoot, comfortable with the fast-paced environment, ability to receive and implement feedback, proactive and able to comfortably navigate through uncertainty and ambiguity, must have ability to work a schedule, compromise of non-standard hours, including nights and weekends, and experience in Salesforce is going to be a plus. Now with this position, the pay is not listed, so you would have to reach out to a recruiter to obtain that additional information. But these are the 3 remote work from home jobs I'm sharing with you today. Please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like this because it really does help. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.